Hey folks, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, and I just left the Broward County Courthouse, and it's nostalgic for me because I know that there's a Judge Mindy Solomon. I've had a lot of great judges, but she's one of those judges that really stands out to me. I've watched her mentor prosecutors. I've watched her mentor defense counsel. I've watched her put both in check when necessary. I've watched her serve the citizens of Broward County with the neutrality that many judges fail to have. Right? Judges are neutral referees. They make decisions on the law. They're not supposed to have a stake in it. And Mindy Solomon's just one of those judges. That has always been just even keel, and you knew as a defense attorney, prosecutors that I know that love her. She's always been a very educated, we say a learned judge. She knows the law, and she's always willing to learn other things. Right? Defense counsel proposes something, state proposes something. Broward County's losing in retirement a wonderful, wonderful judge. I remember one story, and I brought it up to the court today. I had a trial in another jurisdiction, and I lost that trial. And I was disappointed that I lost that trial. But during the course of that trial, there were many, many objections by the state, and they kept getting sustained, meaning that the court found them correct. So I pulled that transcript and I asked Judge Solomon, I have some questions. I can't figure out why I was getting sustained. This was and I showed her examples of, hey, this is what the question was. This is the statement from the witness on the stand. I just pulled the transcript, and she took the time because I was going crazy. I couldn't figure it out. I was like, how are these things being sustained? How is this happening? And she took the time to educate me, to show me where I made a mistake, where I was correct, and actually the court or the prosecution was wrong. And I'll never forget that because not every judge is willing to do that, to take a little bit of time out of their schedule to answer an academic question, right? The case was already over. It was more like, hey, how do I avoid this in the future? How do I correct this? What did I do wrong? And man, it was just a moment for me that I'll never forget. And I got to tell you, the citizens of Broward County, pray for more judges like Mindy Solomon. Just solid individual, solid legal, mental powerhouse. I just can't say enough about that woman. Anyway, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, and today is it's bittersweet. I'm happy for her. I know she's going to go on to another chapter of her life, and but I'm also sad to see her go. I'm not in Broward very often these days, but when I am, I feel blessed that when I have a case in front of her. Not to knock any other judges. There's a lot of great judges. She's just one of the main ones that have stuck out during my career. So anyway, thanks for listening.